It's day 2 at the Wales and West Photography Show, so let's go and have a look inside. Let's go.
So Tyler, what are you excited about?
I'm excited about everything, Stu. It's the Wales and West Photography Show, but most importantly, we've got Leica and Hasselblad here for the first time. I've already gone over and seen them, but their stands look awesome. But anyway, let's go and see everyone else. We've got the Hasselblad stand. First year at the Wales and West Photography Show. Pretty cool looking things. I'm particularly excited about the XQD. I've always wanted to get my hands on one of these, if you don't mind.
Okay.
But was it 100 megapixels?
100 megapixel,
yeah. Yeah, 100 megapixels, absolute beauty, absolute powerhouse. Look at that. Giant screen on the back, of course. You're going to need to see all that detail, aren't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
And a really, really great high-spec viewfinder. It's one of my particular favourites. I've never held one, and that's what makes me excited today. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Little micro drones. These were really popular last year. I think we saw quite a few of these, and they're just great little toys to just put in your bag and play with, really. Also, main stage looks particularly excellent this year. We've redecorated it. We've got lovely rainbow patterns running all the way through the background. Just elevates the room, lifts it a bit more, and the speakers this year are phenomenal, so make sure you check them out on the website. So we've got Nissi here as well at the show. Excellent range of filters, everything you could ever possibly need. These guys are really worth having a look at, and they make some really great high quality stuff, so make sure you pop in. Okay, my favorite tripod brand in the whole wide world is here at the Wales and West Photography Show. I've got 2 of their products. If you want a really good high quality tripod, come and see these guys. I know a couple of customers came into store the last couple of months asking about monopods. These guys I've recommended each and every time. They're here at the show. Come and see them, come and pay the visit. They'll spend as much time with you as they need to get you the right thing. Another big hitter, this released very recently. This is the Fujifilm X-E5. I know a lot of people at home and at the store have been asking about this camera and whether it's going to be here. Fujifilm confirmed that it would be, and they were right. It's right here. So make sure you come and have a look at it, because it's a gorgeous camera. Sigma have been with us every single year, and today is no different, to be honest with you. And also they bought the brand new 17-40 f1.8, which was literally announced a few days ago. That's how quick we get things at the Wales and West. There's also money off of this if you want one, so the best time to get a deal is at the Wales and West Photography Show. Always is, every single year. What's changed? So we've got the creative stage here ready to go. This one has been particularly popular, especially on its first day. So make sure you come down, get a seat as quickly as you can, because these fill up very quickly. But you can also stand and watch. These talks are brilliant. Ellen Crum, they're also here as well. These guys, Studio Light Masters, go and see them. They're brilliant, wonderful human beings, and their quality of product is absolutely phenomenal. So make sure you jump in. We've also got a creative space in the corner over there. So if you want to take some amazing photographs, this is the space to come to. Right at the back of the show, right in the corner. It's nice and comfortable, and you'll love it. So it's the second day, we're about to open. Make sure you come down tomorrow or today, ideally today, and come and join in the Wales and West Photography Show 2025, and we'll see you soon.